Hello everyone, I am Anand and I welcome you to CRS Info Solutions. In today's video, we will explore how to use getter and setter together in Lightning Web component and show you how to pass data from a parent component to a child component effectively. I will walk you through each step slowly so you will understand it clearly. Make sure you keep a pen and notebook ready. We will write some notes and do hands-on coding together. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel CRS Info Solutions and press the bell icon for more Salesforce related content. So first let's jump to the Visual Studio Code. Here we have to create one Lightning Web component. For creating Lightning Web component, just right click on this LWC folder and select create new Lightning Web component. Press enter. Here I am giving the name as child. Pressing enter, choosing the default directory. Here we have created a child Lightning Web component. So start writing code for our getter and setter in JS file. So here we have to import API. Okay. From here we have to write our code. Upper case item name getter return value getter at the rate API for making it public. Get setter receives and process value. Setter receive and process value. Set item name value. This dot upper case item goes to value to case. Save this file here. Here we have used @API decorator. This makes the property public so it can be accessed by parent component. Here we used getter, return the value of uppercase item name, and we have used setter, receives a value, converts it to uppercase and store it in uppercase item name. So let's move to write the code for our child.html file. So Inside the template tag, I have to write only item name. This much code we have to write in HTML file. This binds the item name property, which uses our getter to show the uppercase value. Now let's move to child.js-meta.xml file. Change is exposed to false to true. Targets. Okay. Save this file. Now we have to create another component, that is parent component. So let's create another component, parent component. So right click on this LWC folder, and here we have to create new lightning web component. Enter parent as a label name, press enter, choose the default directory. Here we have created our parent.js file. So we don't need any logic here, so it's remain clean. Okay. Now let's move to the parent.html file. Now we will use our child component twice and pass it different values here. So start writing the code here inside this template tag. Inside the template tag, lightning card title equals to parent component. Compo UMPONE. Okay. Now we have to create one div class equals to slds hyphen p hyphen top underscore large. Child hyphen child item class equals to slds ds hyphen text hyphen heading underscore medium item name equals to CRS info solutions. Okay. Now create another div after this div class equals to slds hyphen p hyphen top underscore large. C hyphen child class SLDS hyphen text hyphen heading under medium item name item name item equals to Alan Training Institute, Salesforce Training Institute. Best resource institute. Now here we have written our HTML code. Parent.html file is created successfully. Here we have to explain something. So in the first line we have used lightning card. This is a simple container for better UI. C-child refers to our child component item-name, the property we are setting which will be received by the setter in child.js file. First instance passes CRS Info Solutions, second instance passes Best Salesforce Training Institute. Now let's save this file first and move to the parent-js.xml file. Now change it to false to true. Targets. Save this file. Now let's deploy both the lightning component we have created here, parent and child. First we deploy this parent component by right click on it and select deploy this source to org. One sec, we have this error comes because we haven't deployed our child component first. Then we have to deploy our parent component. First we have to deploy this child component, then the parent component will be deployed. Source to our child component deployed successfully. Now we have to deploy this parent component. Both the component deployed to the org successfully. Now let's move to the org. Here we open our Salesforce org. So start editing here by clicking this gear icon, select edit page. Here we have to search our child component, drag this and drop it here, and select parent component and drop it here. Okay, save this. Now back to the page and refresh this page. Here you can see both the name in uppercase as expected. Okay. So you just built a small but powerful example of using getter and setter together in LWC. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to CRS Info Solutions and hit the bell icon for more such Salesforce coding tips and tricks. Thank you. Have a nice day.